Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing a great day today. Hope you guys are having a good morning. In this video, I'm gonna do a quick POV of how my car sounds with this Muffler and Resonator delete. So yeah, let's get to it. I hope it looks good in the freaking camera, on the GoPro. Alright, let's go. Still kind of embarrassed, guys. Still kind of like shy that, you know, how big I have something, you know, in front of my forehead. I don't want people to be looking at me for right now. Just let me get used to it, guys. Shifts though. If you guys hear my brakes squeaking, it's not my brakes, it's my rotors. Alright? It's because ever since I got this car, since I don't really drive it as much, it's always in the garage, it wasn't an urgency for me to get brakes, so I messed up the rotors because of how freaking wasted my brakes were. So yeah, guys, if you start hearing that thing, oh my gosh, like right now, you see? It's fucking embarrassing when you come to a stoplight or a stop sign and you know you already press the brakes and it's already fucking squeaking loud as fuck. So I mean, I will get some new rotors and brake pads because it's already fucking annoying me. Put the windows down, guys, so you can hear it better. Hopefully the wind doesn't fuck it up. Damn, man. Beautiful fucking day today. You guys can't go wrong with the Muffler and Resonator delete for your first mod when you get into cars, especially in an Infiniti or in a Nissan with the VQ motor. You guys can't go wrong with that. You know, I still, like I said, I still have stock catalytic converters, stock headers, stock piping, everything. It's just I just took off, you know, the muffler and the resonator, which make the car quiet, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna downshift real quick. I fucked up a little bit. Let's do a little quick pull here. Let's do a little quick pull here. guys, I have not switched my stock exhaust, well, my muffler resonator delete from my motor down, because it just sounds so good, you know. It sounds so good. And hopefully I get better throughout, you know, time passes and stuff. Hopefully I get better with you know, editing and all that stuff. My old high school. I never thought I'd have this car. Like, I never thought I'd have this car at all, but you know, I never thought I'll be driving this car near my school. I remember I used to seeing cars like nice Infinitis and Nissans, and you know, you hear the exhaust and everything. You know, I'll be in PE doing the mile, and you know, I'll see the cars pass by like the one I have right now. And I'll be like, damn man, I wish I could drive by my school with a nice car like this. Let me have the windows up real quick. Let's see if this Subi wants it. Fuck, I don't think I'm gonna be able to because there's fucking traffic. Traffic right now. I hope it opens up. Look at all this fucking traffic. That's Cali for you guys. Fuck. Guys, even though my car is stock, you know, I have beaten STI before in the freeway. I know for sure it was stock because it didn't, you know, because it didn't have like an exhaust or you know, a blow off valve or anything like that. But yeah, I beat it. You know, I beat one. But ever since then, I have not raced another STI. And we did like that day, it was during the night, so it was good weather. That day we did 240 rolls and I won both. I don't know, it just, even though my car has 59,000 miles, my car is, you know, I don't know, I think it's a factory fee because I have also raced the G37 with the, you know, with with an automatic transmission, and trust me, he was catching up to me. He was catching up to me, but you know, it took him a while, like a while, to freaking catch me up. And we did a 40 roll on it too. And then my brother, he has a G37 as well. It's a coupe. That one is all-wheel drive. And I beat him too. I don't know how, but we did a 20 roll. He was winning me. It was probably like in the half car length or so. And then once I hit second, third, once I was going to fourth, that's when I left him. Like I beat him, and I was surprised, you know. You know, my car is, you know, almost 20 years old, and you know, it's keeping up with the VHR motor. No, VHR. The VQ37 VHR. Like my car, I don't know, my car surprises me. There was also this Q50 3.0. I raced it as well. We did a 40 roll, and we were head to head, but I beat him at last. I was like right ahead, and I was like, what the? I know damn well it was stock, but I was also surprised, guys. I was also surprised. Maybe because I'm really good at shifting. I don't know if you guys saw, but I do have a driver mod. I know damn well I do have driver mod. Maybe that helps a lot, you know. Well, of course, you know, if you know how to bang your gears and shit, but you know, but yeah, I think that helps a lot as well, you know. My camera just died, guys. I don't know why. Fucking ridiculous. Fucking do that shit. Hurry up, punk. Oh, my fucking forehead hurts. I'll just put it back on. Fuck it. Oh, look at that Beamer. It's nice. Hurry up, lady. Oh. start recording like this because I guess the GoPro was turning off because it got too hot. So I'm gonna be driving like this, alright? So yeah guys, what I was saying when this shit fucking turned off. Yeah, so guys, give me a couple, just give me time to, learn and be more active here. Give me time to, learn how to edit, learn how to, be more active on YouTube and, doing videos and then, coming up with ideas, Like I said, this is brand new to me still. And, you can't just get into something knowing everything, Like I said, guys, I'm gonna try to do every weekend a video. Maybe next weekend I could show you guys, how to downshift, or do a little quick video of how to even learn how to drive a freaking stick shift. But yeah, but quick little story. When I got this car, like when I bought it off the dealer, my dad had to drive it off from the dealer to my house because I didn't know how to drive stick. And then it took me probably like a week and a half. Yeah, a week and a half to learn how to drive stick shift. And then also at the time I didn't know how to shift fast, so that too that came after like probably like a month, because I had to get comfortable with the car first, and then with the the sound of when to shift. So yeah, and then rev matching, that took me a couple months to learn. No, not even a couple months, probably like 2 months and a half to learn. Yeah, 2 months and a half, guys, took me to learn how to rev match. Because like I said, even when I got this car, I never really drove it as much because I would work with my dad. So, we'll go in his work truck, well, his work van, and that's why I wouldn't drive it as much. Gotta get used to this angle. Driving like this. If I do, damn well I need a fucking alignment. Alright, let's fucking get out real quick. But yeah, guys, so yeah, like I said, I just want to do a quick POV of my car, how it sounds with this exhaust. Well, I don't think you could call it an exhaust, but the stock exhaust, just louder. Yeah, guys, like I said, I just want to do a quick little video. Well, not a little video, but I just want to do a video of how this car sounds driving it with my point of view. And yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention in the other video that I posted, I do have coilovers. They're adjustable coilovers. So they're from, their brand is 58 Industries coilovers, and so far they're good. They do the job. I mean, I wish I could soften them more, but it's not adjustable like that. So probably later on in the future I will get some BC Racing coilovers, because you know sometimes this shit, when you hit bumps, you can feel everything. You could feel fucking, even if you're driving an ugly ass freaking, you know, ugly ass pavement, you feel everything. I don't mind it, but you know, sometimes you want to get that, you know, soft feel, that comfortable feel. But yeah, you see it's a little tucked in. It's like perfect. I don't want it slammed all the way down, because I don't know, I'm scared of hitting my oil pan. So that's why I don't drop it down. That's why I don't drop it. I didn't drop it low. I just want it to be, you know, tucking a little bit. Well, just, you know, blocking that gap, the ugly ass gap of the stock height. But yeah, guys, I love this car. I can't wait to see this car in the future. I have so many plans for this car, guys. I have so many plans. And I hope you guys, you know, tune into my channel. You know, I hope that every time I post something, you guys are like, man, you guys click when I post a YouTube video. You know, I hope you guys get excited, you know, seeing my videos. Like I said, I'm barely starting, guys. I know right now it's a little bit boring, but let me get used to it. Let me get used to it, guys, and trust me, I'll be making those good ass videos. But yeah, but you know, I want to get new freaking rotors, because these shits are fucking ass. You know? Yeah, I don't like I said, I don't like to, you know, be stopping like in a stoplight or something, or in a like, you know, stopping on a stop sign, and you know, you have a nice ass car and everything, but you know, like I was saying, I don't like coming up to a stop sign or a stoplight, and you know, you have a nice ass looking car, but you know, people are gonna be hearing your brakes, and they're gonna be like, man, you have a nice ass car, but you can't fix your brakes. Even though they're not the brakes, but you know, they're gonna be thinking that's, you know, the brakes. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm trying to get some slotted, drilled and slotted rotors, and new brake pads might as well, even though I changed them not that long ago. But yeah, fucking GoPros keep turning off. I fucking hate that shit. But yeah, guys, like I said, give me time. We'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. You know, just gotta have a positive mindset. So like I said, please have a good day, be safe, be careful, you know, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, peace out.